Hi, welcome to TokenTelemetry dashboard. Coding agent stores retail logs in our own system. So currently you are looking at my workload. You can see here there are 13 coding agents connected, and these are number of sessions, total token consumed, active projects, and the API bill. Projects are list of folders where I have opened these coding agents. You can filter by tokens, API, price. TokenTelemetry is the project I've been working on extensively. I've used 8 coding agents. Total there are 87 sessions, 3 subagents, 19 plants, and 30 million tokens consumed, followed it by Git work trees. The features I'm working on parallelly. Activity is something the list of sessions charts I had with multiple coding agents. Here you can directly see the prompt instead of the hash value. Insights is project's behavior. An activity heat map shows what coding agent I have used on a particular day. These are number of subagents, skills, and MCP servers that are configured and how much tokens that they have consumed, along with the pricing. The same goes to loops, and we have an agent leaderboard as well. Configuration is something project specific. You have configured multiple subagent skills, MCP servers, all that can be viewed here. Plans are nothing but the list of plans that are generated by coding agents. You can view it over here. You can open any plan and that will navigate to the particular trace. This is the trace view where you get the list of goals, subagents that main session has pinned up. You can also view subagents trace. On the left hand side we have step index where what action has been performed by the coding harness. You can click and navigate to that. On the right hand side we have list of subagents and dynamic workflows. Along with that we have information about models, listening effort, and skills, MCP servers that are configured. Above is the metadata. We also have token analytics where how many tokens that have consumed across all the coding agents across all the projects. This is the overview, and we have a lot of other features covered. Thank you.